Ever feel like crypto is this secret club with a language you don't speak? A world of wallets, blockchains, and volatile assets that seems designed to confuse you. Well, what if I told you there's a platform that makes getting into crypto as simple as buying a stock? Today, we're diving into Wealthsimple Crypto, a straightforward and accessible way for Canadians to buy, sell, and manage their crypto assets. Whether you're a complete beginner or just want a simpler way to manage your portfolio, this is for you. First up, let's talk about buying. Once you've opened a crypto account within your Wealthsimple app, it's incredibly easy. Simply search for the coin you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can buy a specific dollar amount or a certain quantity of the coin. Review your order details, hit submit, and boom, you've just made your first crypto purchase. It's that simple. Now, for selling. Life happens, and sometimes you need to sell. With Wealthsimple, you can sell your crypto anytime, even on holidays or outside of regular market hours. Just navigate to your crypto holdings, select the coin you want to sell, and enter the amount. The process is quick and the funds are instantly available. There's no settlement period, so you can transfer or withdraw the cash right away. Finally, let's talk about the wallet features. Your Wealthsimple crypto account acts as a secure digital wallet. A key feature is the ability to send and receive crypto from other wallets. This is perfect if you want to move your assets from another exchange or a personal hardware wallet. Just head to the Move tab, select Send Crypto, enter the wallet address, and the amount you want to transfer. It's crucial to double-check the address, because crypto transfers are irreversible. The same goes for receiving crypto. Simply share your Wealthsimple wallet address with the sender. Wealthsimple also offers some cool features like crypto swaps, which let you convert one eligible crypto to another without converting to cash first, saving you on fees. They even have staking for certain coins, so you can earn rewards on your holdings. It's a full-featured platform that keeps things simple. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.